What do you have in your hand there, Kulika?
That's my crop of peas.
Look at this, guys. Look at that.
They are not good with pots anymore, but they're nice and green inside. Actually, everything in the garden has to be picked in time, so we've been just so busy doing everything, and all of a sudden I realized that peas are pretty much have had it, so it's time to pick them. Because they're starting to turn into seeds, but you can still like clean them out of the pots and make soup and stuff, so.
So you haven't had any problem growing peas, have you?
No, peas have been growing really good, and all the stems and what's yeah, they're over there. They are at the end of their life cycle, so we're gonna have to pick them all. They're kind of dry and ready for seeds, but they're really good sweet peas, some of them. So especially the ones that are this shape, these are really sweet. So I'm gonna pick a full bunch of those and save them for seeds next year.
So yeah, guys, I even ate some. They're really good.
Yeah, we've been eating them every day, so, but I've been thinking like, it feels like they last forever, and like we can go forever and pick fresh peas, and and like it feels like summer would last forever, but nothing lasts forever, so now all of a sudden I realized that their time is over. But beans are starting, so another day I picked a nice crop of beans, like the ones over there next to the corn. I got quite a bit
corn
from
there. Yeah, that's a corn.
Yeah, I got a whole bunch of there, so we haven't cooked them yet. They're in the fridge waiting to be cooked, but it will be a nice little helping, and more are coming. So looks like peas and beans are doing really good.
Really good, yeah.
And corn is growing too, but I don't know if we're gonna get any corn.
But it's all right. They look good.
Yeah, they look good, but depends.
Looks like something was done right.
Depends on how long the growing season is going to be. So when the first frost will come, we'll see.
Yeah, look at the bowl again. Let's look at this. Who wants some peas? Kulika's got one of her first crops, you know.
And there are two nice little zucchinis developing in a greenhouse. So I'm gonna show you guys a clip of the zucchini later.
Yeah, they'll go take a look at that right away.
There are two nice little zucchinis developing.
What are those back there? I see they're long with those. Looks like candies on top, green candies. What are those?
Garlic.
I'll zoom in.
This is garlic. My mom always planted garlic in a strawberry bed, and so did I, and they're good companions to each other. They somehow help each other out. So, and they seem to be growing really good here.
Yeah, guys, when I ask her a question, it's not because I know everything. I don't know anything about gardening. I'll be honest with you. It's not my forte, you know. I don't know much about gardening, only eating the crop from them, but Kulika seems to know a lot about gardening, and that's why she loves doing this. Look at this. Look at all this greenery here. Yeah, she loves doing this, and she knows a lot about it, but like I said, I don't know much.
So over there, behind those garlics, there is a row of raspberries. And
I'll just zoom in a bit.
You see quite a few red berries. So I've got a few raspberries from there too. So raspberries seem to be growing, which is not surprising because there is tons and tons of wild raspberries in our backyard.
Yeah, right behind there.
All over the place. So
yeah, let's go take a look at those zucchinis. Guys, there's the guard pup right by the greenhouse. Kulika doesn't want her in here, but she knows better. She'll stay there. So let's take a look at those zucchinis now. They look like bananas. No.
Yeah, one is over there. That's almost ready to be picked.
Look at that.
The one over there, then the third one developing, and the second big one is here.
Pull that leaf down here, yeah.
Quite nice. Almost ready to be picked.
That, guys. Very nice.
That's a yellow zucchini, and this one is green, and looks like something's developing here too, a little green zucchini.
Yeah. Excellent. So guys, we just wanted to do a video and show you her first crop of peas here, like of all the things, and you know, pretty proud of that.
Yeah, these are the first rewards of my labor.
Yeah, like we've said before in other videos, she wants to see what will grow up here and everything, and the next year, or then maybe the next year, who knows, when we're here full time, wait till you see those, guys. You'll probably knock your socks off.
Yeah, definitely have to build some good soil, like make compost and stuff like that, so that would improve the soil.
So end the video, Kulika.
Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and click that notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. See you later.